Hey friends, my name is Ali and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we are going to show you some basic Adobe Photoshop CC 2022 tools. And in this video I am going to show you some basic tools and how you can use Adobe Photoshop 2022 in your PC. Let's start the video. Make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more latest amazing video updates. Let's start the video, and first of all open your Adobe Photoshop. I am using latest version 2022 version in my PC. And now first of all click on create new and click on create. And now you have to import some images here. I have a copyright free images like this girl, and the first tool is I'll show you how you can remove background of your image and how you can cut off your image in a one click. Yes, you can remove your background in only one click. Go to this panel and scroll down, and here you can see remove background option. Click on this option and wait for few seconds. The background will automatically remove from your picture. This is the shadow of your picture. Now you can easily add another background behind this. Now this is the basic. Now look at him, look at here. When you press V, it's called move tool, the main tool of the Photoshop. And the second one tool is rectangular tool. You can mark anything just like that. Scroll down and like this. You can also copy and cut what's inside this. Press V for the main tool, and the next tool is objective selection tool. You can select objects with this tool. Next tool is crop tool. You can crop your image like this. Press enter. The next tool is very amazing tool. You can also see the documentation of the tools from when you reach your cursor on the tool. The next tool is eyedropper tool. You can pick the colors and drop the colors. So the next tool is very amazing tool and very good tool to remove the pimples and black dots from your face. The next tool is brush tool. You can also like this right click on the screen and adjust the size of the brush and the hardness of the brush like this. You can also choose the color of this from here like this. Choose the blue color, right click on this and choose the size of what you want. Now the next tool is pen tool. You can also cut your picture manually like this. Like this, you can cut it manually. But the best option to cut your image is remove background option. This option is only available in the latest version of Adobe Photoshop like 2021 and 2022. The next tool is text tool. You can type some text here like this. Now the next tool is move tool, and the next tool is rectangle tool. You can draw shapes and give any color to the shapes. The next tool is hand tool, and the last tool is zoom tool. So that's in the today video, and if you like this video, make sure you subscribe this YouTube channel, and in the next video we will discuss about some more tools in explanation. Thanks for watching my video. Take care. Goodbye.